Welcome. If you are an international teacher interested in teaching in the United States through the IAG Teacher Exchange Program, this video will guide you through the application process step by step. In this guide, we will show you how to create your profile, complete the application, upload your documents, and submit your information through the IAG application platform. Before you apply. Before starting your application, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements for the program. If you are not sure about the requirements, we recommend watching our requirements video, which explains the qualifications needed to participate. Before starting your application, prepare your documents to speed up the process. You will find the link in the description below. Accessing the application platform. All applications for the IAG Teacher Program are submitted through this online platform. Here you will create your teacher profile and apply for the position that matches your qualifications. Creating your account. If this is your first time using the platform, click Sign In or Register to create your account. Enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to use an email address that you check frequently, as all updates about your application will be sent there. Email verification. After registering, you will receive a verification email. Open your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the platform to continue your application. Personal information. Next, complete your personal information, including your name and contact details. Once completed, click Save and Continue. Finding a position. After creating your profile, you will see the list of available teaching positions. Select the position that matches your academic background and teaching experience. Important tip: only apply to positions where your degree and experience qualify you to teach that subject. Important note about location. You may notice that the location listed shows Phoenix, Arizona. This is the location of the IAG office and does not necessarily represent the school where you will teach. Teachers are placed in participating school districts across the United States depending on where there is a match with program needs. Starting the application. Once you find the position you want to apply for, click Apply for this job to begin the application. You will first see a page with important information and helpful resources about the application process. After reviewing this information, click Save and Continue. Visa program selection. Next, you will select the visa program. For most international teachers applying through the program, the correct option will be J1 Teacher Cultural Exchange. Select this option and click Save and Continue. Personal details. This section collects essential contact and identification data, including your date of birth, phone number, address, and current residency. Background information. In this section, you will answer background questions related to professional and legal history. Please read each question carefully and answer honestly before continuing. Education. Next, provide information about your university education. If your university does not appear in the list, simply select Other and manually enter the name of your university. Adding complete and accurate academic information helps strengthen your profile. Employment history. In this section, you will add your current and previous teaching experience. For the J1 Teacher Program, applicants are typically required to currently be working as full-time classroom teachers. References. Next, you will add your professional references. You must provide 3 references, and one of them should be your current employer or supervisor. Choose references who know your teaching work well and can respond if contacted. Once you have added all 3 references, click Save and Continue. Job skills. In the Job Skills section, you will provide information about extracurricular activities you may be willing to support at a school. Examples include tutoring, clubs, sports, or academic programs. You will also select the subject areas you are interested in teaching. Important tip: only select subject areas where you are academically qualified to teach. Once completed, click Save and Continue. Visa compliance. Next, complete the visa compliance section. This includes questions about your nationality, languages spoken, teaching experience, and eligibility for the visa program. Please answer all questions carefully and honestly. When finished, click Save and Continue. Required documents. Once the compliance section is complete, the system will ask for your required documents for your application. These documents typically include resume or CV in English, employment verification letter, foreign credential evaluation, English proficiency results, professional teaching license, passport. Upload documents in PDF format whenever possible. Tip: make sure documents are clear and readable before uploading. To help you prepare these documents, we have included a document guide in the description of this video. Once all documents are uploaded, click Save and Continue. Review and submit IAG. Before submitting your application, review all the information you entered. It is a very common mistake to submit an application with missing documents or incomplete information, which can often lead to unnecessary delays. To ensure a smooth process, take a moment to double-check that every detail is accurate. Once you are confident that everything looks correct, simply accept the confirmation statement, enter your initials, and click Submit. Once your application has been submitted, the next step is to look for an email invitation to the Teacher EPI assessment. This is a significant part of the process, as it offers insights and recommendations tied to your teaching profile to help shape your overall experience. If you happen to miss the email, there's no need to worry. Simply log back into your account and navigate to the Submissions section followed by Screening, where the direct link to complete the assessment will be waiting for you. Final recap. Before starting your application, make sure you have all required documents ready. Having your documents prepared will make the application process faster and smoother. You can also visit our Help Center, where you will find additional resources to guide you through the process. Important message. As you move forward, we kindly ask that you keep a close eye on your email for any updates regarding your application. Because of the high volume of applications we receive, our review process can sometimes take a bit longer than expected. We truly appreciate your patience during this time and suggest waiting for our official notification. Please avoid sending multiple emails requesting updates, as this may slow down the process. If you need to pause your application, don't worry if you can't finish your application all at once. You're welcome to take a break and return whenever it's convenient for you. Our system will keep all your information safely saved exactly where you left off. Support. If you have questions, you can contact us through the phone numbers shown on screen, our website chat, or by email. We also offer private support sessions where our team helps teachers complete their applications. Ask our team for the next available session. You may also join our WhatsApp support groups for updates and support. By finishing your application, you're taking a truly exciting first step toward participating in the International Alliance Group Teacher Exchange Program. We wish you the best of luck in your application, and we look forward to supporting you throughout the process.